To use the text tool, simply go to the left-hand panel and click the T icon. Then simply click the chart. After that, all you have to do is type. Once you've finished typing, click the chart. Now to edit this text, go back and click it, and the settings panel comes up. This pencil lets you change the color to anything you'd like. This lets you change the size from tiny to large. This settings wheel gives you another option to change the text that might be easier for some. Simply click it and type whatever you'd like. You can also change the color from within this setting. To delete the text, simply click and then press delete. It's that simple, but if you ever have any questions, never hesitate to email us at support@protrader.com.au.